Hey you YouTube people, welcome again with my content Rajum Leo. So yeah, it's your favorite channel, and because my content is especially about narrative reaction AllieeesSherlockk daily activity. So yeah, today I wanna discuss a narrative AllieeesSherlockk activity at home, and also AllieeesSherlockk not have schedule at Street Dublin to do busking and sing song, just daily at home, do like something cooking for breakfast and dinner, and do go with the mark at gym for do exercise and workout. So yeah, people, if you wanna watching full videos about AllieeesSherlockk daily activity, don't forget before you share, like, and subscribe, because it means a lot for me. And so yeah, don't skip in my content because it's a lot information about AllieeesSherlockk daily activity, and I wanna discuss all daily activity AllieeesSherlockk for you, because yeah, we are AllieeesSherlockk fans. So yeah, I hope AllieeesSherlockk almost grown and about career, about popularity, because yeah, it's all about AllieeesSherlockk. It's so interesting. So enjoy watching everyone. YouTube people, stay safe and healthy, and don't forget share, like, and subscribe my content. Enjoy everyone. Thank you. AllieeesSherlockk daily activity. Today AllieeesSherlockk will do a lot of activity and spend time at home. Cause for today AllieeesSherlockk doesn't have a schedule for the street busking in Dublin streets. So yeah, this morning AllieeesSherlockk was getting ready to go to gym and do a workout. But first, AllieeesSherlockk is getting some drink and clothes ready for the gym. Yeah, AllieeesSherlockk is make like a protein drink in the kitchen and prepare for a workout. And after that, AllieeesSherlockk change clothes, cause she's going to gym and wear a track suit like sport clothes, and wearing a white shirt and gray pants. Looks very beautiful and energetic. After everything was done, AllieeesSherlockk walked to the gym, put all the things in the locker, and start doing some activity like the treadmill and legs day. And finish in 2 hours at gym, AllieeesSherlockk prepared to go home and makes lunch with the mark. Yes, enjoy everyone.
Listen to me. I don't wanna cook you. I don't wanna fight with you. 'Cause I had to. 'Cause I don't like fun. Always argue with you, or always fighting with you. 'Cause you know I so love you, and never leaving you, baby. I wish you here. I wanna be yours. Always be mine, baby. Don't leave me. Oh, I love you so. I love you so. Oh, baby, listen to me. You know how much I love you. You know how much I need you. Oh, don't go away from me. Don't go away. want to be yours. I want to be mine of you. I won't be you. So everything forever. I love you. I love you so.